Absolutely. Let's break down Bitcoin mining in a detailed but clear way, step by step. It's not as mysterious as it sounds once you understand the basics. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of validating transactions on the Bitcoin network and securing the blockchain, all while creating new Bitcoins. Think of it like a giant lottery where miners compete to solve a complex math puzzle. The first one to solve it gets to add a block to the blockchain and earn some newly minted Bitcoins as a reward. Why is mining needed? There are three main reasons mining is crucial. 1. Transaction validation. Miners verify that transactions are legitimate, e.g., no double spending. 2. Block creation. Valid transactions are grouped into blocks and added to the blockchain. 3. Bitcoin issuance. New Bitcoins are introduced into circulation through mining rewards. How does it actually work? 1. Transactions are broadcast. People send Bitcoin to each other. These transactions are collected and wait to be confirmed. 2. Miners collect transactions. Miners gather pending transactions into a block. Think of it like a page in a ledger. 3. Solving the puzzle, proof of work. This is the heart of mining. Miners must solve a cryptographic puzzle. It involves finding a special number called a nonce. The goal is to find a hash, a kind of digital fingerprint of the block that starts with a certain number of zeros. This hash must be below a target value set by the network. This process requires tons of trial and error and computing power. That's why mining rigs are super powerful and energy hungry. 4. First to solve wins. The first miner who solves the puzzle broadcasts the solution to the network. Other nodes verify it. If it's valid, the block is added to the blockchain. 5. Rewards. The winning miner receives a block reward, currently 3.25 BTC as of the April 2024 halving, plus all the transaction fees inside the block. What is a hash and why is it important? A hash is a one-way cryptographic function that turns any input into a fixed-length output. In Bitcoin's case, it uses SHA-256. Changing even a tiny bit of input data gives a totally different output. So if a miner changes even one transaction, the hash changes, and they have to start over. That's what makes the blockchain secure. What is difficulty? Bitcoin adjusts the difficulty of the puzzle every 2,016 blocks, 2 weeks, to keep block creation at roughly 1 every 10 minutes. If blocks are being found too quickly, the difficulty increases. If too slowly, it decreases. What is a mining pool? Because solo mining is very hard, miners often team up in pools. They combine computing power and share rewards when one of them wins. It's like a lottery pool. What hardware do miners use? In the early days, miners used CPUs. Then they moved to GPUs, graphics cards. Now, mining is done with ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, machines made just for mining. Summary. Step. What happens? 1. Transactions broadcast. 2. Miners form a block. 3. Miners race to solve a hash puzzle, proof of work. 4. Winner adds the block to the blockchain. 5. Winner gets Bitcoin reward transaction fees. If you're curious, I can also explain how mining affects Bitcoin's energy usage, decentralization, or how mining rewards change over time, like halving. Want to dig deeper into any of those?
If you're enjoying the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. I love hearing what you think, Hank, and your support helps the channel grow big time. Thanks for being here. It means a lot. Let's get a lot.